Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna make panna cotta this week, but you don't have to if you like passively watching YouTube videos like I do. Panna cotta is Italian dessert. It's usually made out of a creamy pudding with some fruit syrup on top, but this version is a little extra because it has 3 different layers. Panna cotta used to be made out of boiled fish bones, but I guess now we use gelatin, which is also boiled bones. So I blend 2 cups of watermelon together, and I added water, but the water is just because my blender has some issues blending sometimes. Then you add half a lemon squeeze because it adds a nice citrus flavor. Lately, it's been pretty hot where I am, so this watermelon jelly was really nice to have, especially when it was cooled. Are you guys also hot? Where are you guys all from? Please comment below. Would love to meet you all. So we're straining the watermelon juice because it makes the jelly taste a lot better. And then we're gonna heat a cup of water. And this is what we're gonna add to the watermelon juice. In the cup of water, you add a tablespoon of sugar and 1 envelope of gelatin. I failed before and tried heating the watermelon juice directly, but that ended up ruining the juice and it was weird. So cooked watermelon has a different flavor. After we pour the gelatin into the watermelon juice, we just need to put it into the container so it can solidify. And I saw this cool trick where you can just tilt the cups, and it was kind of cool, so I wanted to try it, and I guess it turned out well. We can make the raspberry compote and add gelatin, but if you want to just make the syrup, you can not add the gelatin. This part smelled really good, and I wish you guys could all smell it, but making fruit compote is relatively easy because you just heat up the fruit and sugar and water. I added the gelatin because I wanted this to be my second layer, and I also strained it because I didn't want the seeds to be in my final product, but the seeds are also really good. Cool it because you don't want a hot liquid to melt refrigerated jelly. Wow, the jelly looks nice and cool. I don't know if you guys prefer having me talk to you guys, but please comment below if you like this version or if you just like having background music. So now we have the heavy cream, and this is the best part and also the most important part. You add the sugar directly to the heavy cream, and we're going to heat up and bring it to a simmer. And after you bring to a simmer, you add the gelatin. You have to stir really quickly after, or else the gelatin might come up into clumps. This is the main part of panna cotta, so the cream, and then you can also just eat it with fruit, and that itself is really good. So we're gonna cool it again and then take out our previous jelly that we're gonna pour it in and then cool it one last time. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.